Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So I got something cool today. We were out and about down to the city, down to the Big D area, and I always stop in the hobby shop, whatever. Whenever you're out and about, whatever. So I just happened to went in, and I thought, I could use a couple bottles of odd colored paint, just stuff like that. And I thought, I'll check Kitt's out. I haven't been on the search for another Warlock model, just see if they had one. And they didn't, because nobody has one. Those are like out everywhere, it seems like. So I ran across this, and I'll show it to you guys. And we're going to do a quick unboxing. I know a lot of you guys, you're probably thinking, that's cool. But here's the thing, I grew up in the 80s, so this was the thing. This was the cool thing. The Knight Rider Kitt car. I know, I've done one before. I got another one here. I have a Season 4. I have a Season 4 Super Pursuit mode that a lot of you guys have seen at the shows and on video. This is Season 1. So, what Season 1 means, it comes with the scanner. Yes, sir. That is why I picked this up, just for the scanner. Because if you go try to buy the scanner online individually, it's like $60. So, you get the kit's like $40 some for the kit, and it comes with it. And it's a Aoshima scanner, not some aftermarket or homemade or some weenie style or whatever. It's the real deal. So I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this with you guys. And I know it's not a special kit. It's not oh my gosh, like magic, grail kit of sort. But I was excited to get it because I built the Season 4 regular car. And I put it back in the box because I really wanted to find a scanner. So I've been scouting eBay, everything else. And Aoshima had, for what I've read, discontinued it for a separate purchase. You can still get it in a kit, but not separate. So I just happened to go down there and had one in there, thinking, I saw Season 1 sitting on the edge of the box. I pulled it out like, no way. I gotta have it. So yeah, it's funny. Growing up in the 80s watching the show, I thought it was the coolest thing. Me now looking at this stuff, I still think it's cool because I remember as a kid, watching as a kid. But I'm thinking, how did my dad feel about it watching it back then? He's probably thinking, that would never happen. No way. It'd be like me today watching like a Fast and Furious movie or something. Like, come on, there's no way that I could jump from building to building. Whatever they're doing, there's no way. It'd probably be the same scenario today for me versus a kid today watching a Fast and Furious versus me watching Knight Rider back in the day. Either way, it was a cool show growing up, and it still is a cool show. Still a fan. I know it's not everybody's favorite thing, but you know what? I thought I'd show it to you guys quick. So we're going to do a quick unboxing on it, and I'll show you that scanner because I'm pretty excited about it. Yeah, I am. All right, let's go to the bench and take a look. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and cut the tape off. They just got a couple marks here. So get the top off this quick. I have not opened this up yet. I'm opening up with you. All right, I'll set that out the side. Typical Aoshima packaging. Like I say, they do their stuff pretty cool. We're not really going to go through the kit, just because Aoshima usually do them clip glasses. Yep. Oh, we got 3. No, that's the windshield. Never mind. Sorry. Yep. Yep. Okay. Yep. Now you see these are curbside kits. So the scanner is actually going to sit, get the bag shining in. It bolts into this here. And then they leave these open. There's little things you put in there. So if you have to, you can take the body off to access this if you need to take it apart. And there's a hole here. That's where your on-off switch would go through there. Or the wiring goes through there. Some of the aftermarket ones have a switch there, but this I think has a box on the outside. Yeah, so the wiring goes through there. I may do is build this and put it on a platform just so the box isn't just hanging out with wires. Got some decals. So this one has a different decal page. I could already see these are different than the last one I did. This actually has more decals for the buttons, which is kind of cool. The other ones I had to more or less paint them on there. All right. I'm not going to bother the instructions because I don't care about those right now. This is what I'm after, is right here. This magic box. Let's see what's in the box. More tape. Careful. Okay. Check that bad boy out. So it'd be your scanner lights there. It's got a speaker, and I believe it has different sound on it. So of course I'll have to find what kind of battery it takes. Let me grab a screwdriver and open this up, and I'll see what it takes. See if I got a battery laying around here. Hold on. Okay guys, so I dug out my season 4 car that I have painted, and the scanner, like I said, it bolts on here. So I went through and found some batteries. It takes these little guys. I thought, so I'm digging, and got my meter out, checking the voltage on them. So we're good to go. So I'm just going to put a couple screws in here just to hold this in, and I'll show you guys how this thing works. Please hold. Okay, like so. This goes through the hole. We plug this in. So the car comes with this. So obviously we have our opening here. And you get this piece here. This is kind of just your scanner front piece. That'll go against here. Okay, we just set that in there. A little bit of canopy in there. Hold that in place, because that'll flip-flop all over the place, and we'll slide this guy together. Alright, so now we'll just set this on here. I still got my handle on there, just to give you a visual of what you're looking at. Something like so. And we hit our button. Oh yeah, check that out. How cool is that? Oh yeah, super stoked about that. Alright, so here's the other cool thing. So you hit the B button. There we go. Something I understand. Yeah. Well, you know, it is from Japan, so super cool. I love it. Like I said, I've been wanting one of these for a while, trying to find one, and there we have it. So now I can get this bad boy together and go from there. So I don't know if I want to put this actually in this season 4 car, not even build the season 1. Either way, it don't really matter. But yeah, so super cool about it. So I thought I'd show you guys that. I thought it was pretty neat. And yeah. Now it's officially a Night Rider car. Alright guys, I appreciate you tuning in the channel, checking everything out. And we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good one. We'll see ya.